Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to add a WhatsApp button on Shopify store, which will increase your engagements and your customers directly contact you via WhatsApp while visiting your Shopify store. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Click on App. Now click on Search bar, then click on App and Sales Channel setting. Now click on Shopify App Store. Here you can search WhatsApp button. You can select any WhatsApp button, but go with this best WhatsApp app, Dondi WhatsApp Marketing plus Chat. Click on it. You can visit and see here it is best free plan option. Click on Install. Here, click on Install. We have many options, but we go with manual one-click order notification. Click on it. Select the country and type your WhatsApp number which you want to use. Select the size of WhatsApp button. And then select the side where WhatsApp buttons show on store. Pre-filled message is optional. With Pro plan, you can select and enjoy of these features, but we go with free plan and save it. Now click on Enable widget. Now on this WhatsApp widget and save it. Now check on Online Store. You can find the WhatsApp button here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.